No Community Left Behind is a unique crime prevention and social development initiative being implemented in Southeast Ottawa. No Community Left Behind is foremost a strategy rather than a project that aims to prevent, control, and reduce violent crime, drug abuse, and gang activity among youth in designated high-crime neighborhoods through social development. Since July 2005, No Community Left Behind has been a collaborative effort of community policing professionals, community development specialists, and neighborhood activists to address crime-related problems and undertake social development activities in the Banff Avenue community, where the pilot phase has been successfully completed. Since August 1st, 2006, this program has been extended to 3 neighboring communities in Russell Heights, Confederation Court, and Hetherington. Despite the visible signs of a transformed community, the full extent to which the No Community Left Behind initiative has succeeded is not fully known, because in some areas the impact is long-term, or the results are less tangible to measure. To consolidate the social transformation and attitudinal change that is gradually taking place needs consistency, continued support, and an involvement of all stakeholders.
Take the first step and let go of the fear. Realize.
I'm really happy to be the president of the TA, because in the past there was no TA because people was scared and they was intimidated by some other people from outside and trade. But now we're a strong TA, and the community trusts us, and they trust also the police officer. We all work together and we have a good relationship. For the future, we'd like to have more activities. We have to work more harder to make the safety in the community and have a lot of fun, still continue to have a lot of fun together. Thank you.
Since this program started, many of the changes happened. The community with the police and the partner, everything, all of them together. Nobody's scared. We have this dinner and we meet each other, and everybody is safer now and not scared like before.
Yeah, we can see now the police and Ottawa Housing and other partners, they are working together now, and there's big change now at the community.
Be aware so you can learn to care about life and its people.
The No Community Left Behind program is very, very successful. We're finding that people who were isolated and afraid to come out of their homes are now feeling like they are very safe in their community. They're willing to join different programming and to get involved in their community. It's a very, very positive change that we're seeing in the communities.
Yeah, so the most important thing for service providers is that they need to understand that we have to work together. You cannot deal with one segment of the community and expect your project to be successful. For instance, if you want to work with youth, then you need to have the parents on board, you need to have recreational facilitators on board, you need to work together, and you need a collective collaboration to have these programs successful. I'm really pleased the kind of partnership we have at Banff community, and the reason why it's so successful is because we have been working together. We have so many partners that are working together and you know, sharing resources, sharing ideas, and also engaging different segments of the community.
I think that everyone recognizes the value of this type of approach. All the partners, including the residents, the police, the agencies, everybody recognizes that this is the best way to address problems. Working together, sharing resources, and opening the lines of communication. It's an excellent way to make change in community.
So I'm Sylvie, and I work directly in the heart of the Banff-Ledbury community. I've had the pleasure to see firsthand the impact this No Communities Left Behind project has made to this immediate area. It has made an enormous impact on building a stronger community. The community neighbors are now taking back their neighborhood. They're responding to issues, they're addressing issues, and most importantly, they're discussing issues with many of the partners involved in the No Communities Left Behind project. Another area of great success is how the partners have come together to support this community. Through the key partnerships, they are addressing the level of problems at all areas, specifically mobilizing the parents, getting them involved. One of the areas is Children's Aid Society may come in and provide crucial information to support parents that are having difficulty with handling their children. In other areas, through the police and through Boys and Girls Club and the community house, and providing preventative programming. Partnerships and community mobilization has made this project a success, and I'm very grateful to be a part of it.
As chairman of the steering committee, we meet regularly to review the progress and implementation of the project. I've been most impressed over the last year with the way in which this project has been implemented and the considerable benefit that has accrued to the community. In particular, it has been able to mobilize the community organizations, such as the Tenants Associations, which had been moribund for some time, and have been able, through our meetings and contact occasions, to bring the police who are responsible for security and safety in the area closer in touch with the community and its needs. This has been very impressive. Another observation is the enthusiasm that our partners have shown for the project.
No Communities Left Behind is an innovative program that started in our Ledbury Banff community, and it's an innovative partnership between several stakeholders within the City of Ottawa, helping to promote safety within the community and engaging the tenants that live there. Ledbury Banff has had a SEPTED audit done in conjunction with all the partners, and amazing results have come about because of this partnership, and it's going to be spreading to several other Ottawa community housing communities, and we're hoping to see the wonderful results that have been happening at Ledbury Banff to continue in our other communities.
No Community Left Behind has been supported by a table of people, organizations, community members that have come together because a particular neighborhood mattered. And we've been able to provide some consistency, we've been able to build